Okay people, let's have a full top-down analysis from weekly to minute charts. I teach you the king of strategies, the best momentum scalping strategy. And I do not teach you new things. I teach the same strategy over and over. If you're ready, let's do this. Today I opened the charts and this altcoin was the #1 top gainer in my list. As I said to myself, why? Why did this coin become the #1? Can we track this? Anyone making money out of this coin right now? Let's find the answer with the full top-down analysis from the weekly to minute-based charts. In the weekly, I have noticed the most simple, most basic price action happening that every single smart money trader knows really well. A simple swing failure pattern, followed by a weekly market structure break. Such an easy and simple method. And then this giant weekly imbalance boosted this coin in the direction of buyers. As our target, the market was trying to balance itself by trying to fill this weekly imbalance. Now, in the daily chart, we did not have much, but this balanced price range with the daily price switch boosted the coin and started this 5-6 daily non-stop rally until it clears the liquidity above. Up until this point, we have confirmed our strong bullish bias. Now, what about the momentum? What does our best indicator tell us? The ICT high time frame indicator. It is telling me that something was happening right in this area, the point of supercharge, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and 1 hour imbalances all together. Before the rally was fully completed, I tweeted about ARK because I knew somebody was already making money on this coin. Okay, if we are all good and great, let's observe the lower time frames now. On the left, I have opened the 5-minute time frame as you can see. And on the right, we have our momentum layout so you can see everything clearly together. Notice our supercharged momentum layout area and the 5-minute time frame. You can see the perfection at sniper entry point. And then what else do we have here? We have a magnificent SR Philip area. I do not know what else to teach you now. Have you ever seen anything better than this? Let's get closer in the area and talk more. First of all, please notice the liquidity gathering right at the top. It is just creating us a nice and juicy target to hunt. Now let's zoom even more. Ironically, the liquidity below is fully cleared now and price taps the 3-minute imbalance. Now, what we have here a great fill, a combination of swept liquidity with imbalance. The worst thing in this trade, we do not have a market structure break here. Actually, there are some in 30 or 15-second charts, but not very useful for us. Instead, what we have here is an alternative method. Masterclass, price switch, and rally strategy. Now, this move gives you a nice and clear 3% move. It is more than enough to be profitable. This is not the best rate in the world, but money is money. Actually, later on, the ARK is rallied like crazy if you check the charts right now. Okay, friends, I hope that this video was helpful and educational. Please take care and see you next time. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.